All right, guys, so quick update video here on the LR4. So this LR4 right here is the one that had the problem with the transmission. There's a video in here. A couple of people have pointed out, hey, what happened with this? What's going on with it? I'm still working on it. I'm working a little slow because there's a lot going on right now, but I've got the body off the vehicle finally. I'm going to show you. So that's the vehicle, that's the body, and your chassis right here. This makes it a whole lot easier to work on these vehicles. Yeah, you could try to sneak in there and kind of work through it, but it's honestly very difficult. I'd started working on the transmission to remove it from underneath, and you can see I got most of these bolts out. I missed that one right there. It's just very tight quarters trying to do it from underneath. And then I got to a point where I also wanted to remove the transfer case just so that this thing wasn't so unwieldy when you try to take it off. But this transfer case has a couple of bolts that are absolutely ridiculous to try to remove. Now that I'm on top, I'm trying to think which one they were. I think it's either that bolt right there or these two right there and that one right there. So either way, it's just very hard to try to get at those bolts. Why they would make it like this? Well, because they expect everybody to remove the body, I guess. But body is off. We're also going to go through and change this crossover pipe. These are common problem areas right here. That cracks, engine overheats, the whole motor is done, right? This is the replacement part. It's aluminum. So we'll take that and fix that over there. We also have a Y pipe that's located in here that will also remove. It kind of goes through here and sits underneath the intake manifold. We'll get that taken out as well. We're also going to work on changing our spark plugs and handling all that kind of stuff. It's very, very difficult to try to work, especially on this end of things when you're working on these engines. So with the body off, I'm going to go ahead and knock that out. There's a new transmission, or a transmission over there, not a new one, but there's a transmission over there. That's the exhaust system that's laying on the floor. So upcoming next will be removing this guy, dropping that, and switching it out with the new one. I'll try to film, well, I'll film as much as I can as I'm going through that. But more videos to come on the rest of the process itself, how it was taking the body off. Once you do it, you never want to work on these engines without doing that. And of course, I know you've got to have a lift, all these kinds of things, but if you do, and you're working on these vehicles, you almost want to do that. It's just so freeing to be able to do that. Otherwise, you end up spending so much time going through, working between things and trying to finagle your way through it. Lift the body up if you can, and you've got all the access in the world. I've got a few other Land Rovers that I need to work on out there, so I'll be giving them the same treatment. So tons of content coming. It's just, I filmed a lot of stuff. I just don't have time to edit it. It is coming sooner or later. Peace.